Hey, this is Anthony Obi with Life in Launches, and you are looking at the cheat sheet that I offered in the Launch and Sell Online video series. So I call this the 5 steps to profits on autopilot because Profits on Autopilot is the title of the book that covers in depth these 5 steps. So if you have not gotten the book, you need to get the book. It goes into greater detail than any other online marketing book that I have seen in terms of covering the scope of these 5 critical steps to launching and selling online. Now, this is also the foundation of the course called Brand Lunchbox. So if you would like more in-depth help with fill in the blank templates, with downloadable swipe files and examples and videos that cover in depth every single element of each of these 5 steps, then you need to enroll into the Brand Launch Box program. Okay. So just so you know, I have been a direct response copywriter and digital marketing expert since 2007. So I have written campaigns and worked directly with literally 300 plus entrepreneurs from all over the world. I have worked with 6 different marketing agencies. I've been on staff with 3 different companies as a digital marketing manager, and one was a global company. And these everything that I've done, all of my work has boiled down to these 5 steps. And so this is more than a multi-million-dollar system. This is literally the multi-billion-dollar system that is used for marketing. It has worked for, and it is working for so many other companies. It has worked for me and work that I've done with my clients, and it will work for you. All you have to do is work it. You have to learn these 5 steps and you have to work it. So I'm just going to quickly run through the 5 steps because in the Launch and Sell video series, I cover more in depth each of these 5 steps in greater detail. Step number 1 is making your marketing game plan. So in doing that, you're asking, number 1, what is it that you're trying to sell? How much are you trying to make? What resources you have? And what limitations do you have? And what time frame do you want to get the work done in? Once you've done all that work, then you're able to move on to step number 2. And that is conducting market research and building your clear value offer. Now, a clear value offer is built on market research. 3 elements of great market research is what I've done literally for years for every single client project in order to craft magnetic messaging that resonates with their audience and helps them sell. And that is learning from your target audience, researching your target audience. Number 2, researching your competition. Number 3, researching and considering your own offer. So the first 2 are going to inform the third thing, right? Your target audience research. What are their goals? What are their problems? What pains, problems, predicaments are they trying to solve for? And then how have the market solutions that they currently have used, how they failed them? Where are the gaps? And how can you better solve their problem than they're able to solve with any other market solution? And again, that pulls in number 2, which is competition research. So you're looking at your target audience and what competition solutions they have used before and finding the opportunities, the gaps, the missing blanks that you can fill in with your own market solution. And that should inform your clear value offer. Clear value offer calls out your target audience, calls out their goal, calls out the pain, the problem they're trying to solve, why they haven't been able to solve it before with the current market solutions, and it makes a clear call to action of what you are delivering and tells them exactly what to do next. Now, once you've done step number 2 and you've made a clear offer that is valuable to your target audience, you move on to step number 3, and that is building out your million dollar message like a copywriting pro. That means writing your full webinar script, writing your full video sales letter script. That means writing your complete long form sales page, all used and all built off of the research and the data that you've gathered when you conducted market research and you built your clear value offer. Okay. Step number 3 is also going to include any sort of registration or opt-in page for a freebie or a lead magnet that you're offering. It also includes messaging at the top of the funnel, which is your promotional content that you're going to share on social and share in email or share in a podcast interview that where you're being interviewed, is going to include that promotional content and messaging that you're going to share as well. It's also going to include follow-up emails that you're going to send out once a person signs up for your free lead magnet. Okay. So once you've crafted your sales funnel messaging in step 3, you move on to step 4, which is building out and launching your sales funnel. That is where you're going to build all of this messaging out on an actual website platform. I like an all-in-one, simple, clean website platform that allows me to generate leads, that allows me to sell from the platform with customizable sales pages, that collects payments for me, and it also includes a CRM. And that's what I get with Kajabi. I use Kajabi and I love it. So once you have built your sales funnel, you've published it, and you have gone through it yourself, you've asked your mama and your cousin them to go through that sales funnel with you to make sure they're able to sign up and receive your emails, and that you can see that they are dropping into your CRM whenever they sign up or they register for your webinar, or they sign up for your free lead magnet that are dropping into your CRM, and you see them in your email campaign, and you're all good there. You know the sales funnel system works, the technology is working. Then you move on to step number 5, and that is where you're going to flywheel your promotional campaign into a profitable lifestyle business. 3 ways you can fill your sales funnel in the promotional stage of your business. And that is by buying media, that is by borrowing media, or that's by building media. So buying it means PPC, that's advertising. Borrowing it means affiliate marketing. It means collaborations and joint ventures with other folks who have your audience. Or you could build it. You could go organic and you could build it on LinkedIn or Facebook. You could build it through a podcast. You could build it through YouTube or TikTok with video marketing organically. That's going to take longer. It's going to take a lot of energy, and it's going to take more time. But it is an incredible way to go. And these are all 3 ways that you can do it: buying it, borrowing it, or building it. So that's a complete overview of this 5-step system to launching and selling online. I hope that this helps. And again, if you have not gotten the Profits on Autopilot book, get it. If you have not enrolled into the course, Brand Launchbox, enroll today. You're going to love it. It's a moneymaker. It's going to clarify internet marketing to you, which can be so confusing. It's going to clarify the entire process, simplify the entire process, which is going to save you possibly years worth of time and possibly tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in trying this and trying that and trying this and trying that. I boil everything down into a very simple, streamlined process to help you launch and sell online in days, in weeks, and not many, many months and years.